Hey there, if you're someone suffering with tendonitis types of pain like tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, shoulder, knee pain, well, I wanted to introduce you to Radial Shockwave. If you haven't heard of Radial Shockwave before, it's because it's relatively new coming into the United States. It has been FDA approved, and there's a lot of research behind it that talks about how effective it is at getting rid of acute or chronic pain. Acute meaning something just happened to you and it's still hurting a few weeks into it. Chronic pain is talking about pain that's been ongoing on and off for like months, if not years. Radial Shockwave has been used for decades now. It's actually been used to break up kidney stones, but now they're utilizing the technology to help you, someone with chronic pain, get rid of it and get rid of it fast. So let me tell you a little bit more about Radial Shockwave. So this is the machine that we're using. It's a